Hey guys, you know it, 30 minutes, 5 times a week. That's why you need the THERUN. It features auto incline in this modern home incline treadmill. Improve your heart health, control your weight, lower your risk of heart disease. Help keep your blood pressure under control too, and improve your cholesterol levels. Reduce overall stress and improve mental well-being. And remember, you only have to exercise on the days you eat. So whether you like walking or jogging, you can do it all. And help manage all these health benefits with the THERUN. The THERUN offers powerful performance, 0 to 12% auto incline, with a robust 300-pound weight capacity, with 4 internal shock absorbers and 2 layers of non-slip cushioning, which means less stress and impact on your knees, muscles, and joints. The belt is 17.7 inches wide and 44 inches long. And it has a 3.0 horsepower motor with noise reduction. Listen how quiet it is. And the maximum speed is 9 miles per hour. And it has a fabulous high-definition 18-inch LED screen. That's a quick overview on this great treadmill, but be real careful when you shop for a treadmill. A lot of models are hitting the market recently that are not made for American adults. The handlebars are not high enough, they're real low, and the screen is also low. So you have to bend over to hold on, and you can actually misstep off the belt too. Some of them are so narrow. So rest assured, the THERUN is full size for adults. It's quality. And yes, the THERUN Incline Treadmill is easy foldable too. And the robust wheels make it super easy to move around. And you'll love the really quick assembly. It comes almost fully assembled. All you have to do is put in a few fixing screws and end caps, like this. Oh, and the user manual shows you exactly how to proceed. It's super simple and easy. Let's look at the display. It's 18 inches and it's easy to read and nice and bright. I really enjoy working out daily on the THERUN. It's full-size, adult, and auto incline. It's just amazing. And you'll enjoy a 2-year warranty. That'll give you great peace of mind. Here's to your health. Until next time, I'm Frank George. Enjoy.